Good morning, first graders. Today is September the 11th, 2020. It's Friday. Yay! Dear all, good morning, first graders. Today is Friday. We have now completed 4 weeks of virtual learning. You will see quizzes in the PowerPoint today. Please make sure you return these to your teacher. As always, you can send pictures by text or email, use Seesaw, or return the packet to school. Today we're going to discuss the coast. Have you ever been to the beach or seaside? This natural wonder is a popular destination for people because there's so much to do. If you've been to a beach, then you have first-hand experience of one of Mother Nature's coolest creations, the coast. A coastline or seashore is the area where land meets the sea or ocean, or a line that forms the boundary between the land and the ocean or a lake. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.